I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Today I'm going to tell you how to do a kids makeup tutorial. So you can do this makeup whenever you go to any party, or you can do in your school functions also. So we are going to do a light makeup just because kids do not do a lot of makeup. So see Piku? Piku has applied a little bit of cream on her lips as a lipstick, and she's playing with eyeshadow. So let's get started. Oh my god, she's so busy in her makeup. What she's doing, she's playing with the eyeshadow palette, and she has applied cream all over her face. Oh my god. So I'm done with the powder. So guys, I'm making this video without telling my mama what I'm gonna do. So I'm so confused what to apply, because she has a lot of different like Oriflame, Color Bar, or this is Lakme 9 to 5. I am so confused in these, so can't help. करते करते देखा ही नहीं कि मेरी बहन क्या कर रही है. And she has applied nail paint of eyeshadow. Oh my god. And मेरे को तो बहुत डर लग रहा है, क्योंकि ये सारा मेकअप मम्मा का है और मम्मा को पता तक नहीं है कि what are we doing. Piku is busy in the playing of eyeshadow. Piku, what are you doing? No, she'll not tell you that. What is she doing? So guys, I'm done with the makeup, and this is the very light makeup which you can do on your kids, and if you're a kid and you're watching this, you can do on your own. So yeah, so she is applying nail paint on her feet. Oh my god, I'm so scared what would be the reaction of mama. So now I'm gonna just remove the kitty hairband and just fix my hair. So let's go. So guys, I've changed my top. Like I have changed to a very blingy sa balloon top. So so my makeup is done. It's not literally a makeup. I've just applied a little bit of eyeliner and a lip balm. She's still busy in doing her own makeup. So oh my god, there is both. ज़्यादा ब्राइट नहीं आ रहा है, सही आ रहा है. See, she is so busy. Oh my god. So guys, now we are gonna take some pictures. अकेले बना रहा हूँ ना मैं इस वीडियो को, so a lot of difficulties in making. So abhi now I'm gonna take some pictures and insert the pictures in this video. So let's go to take some pictures.